Hi guys. Welcome to the 4-Wheel TV channel. Support us by clicking the subscribe button and pressing the notification button. Thank you. Polestar has a few nips and tucks in mind for the 2023 Polestar 2. They haven't been announced in the US yet, but Motor Trend noticed some color and trim changes on the electric car maker's UK site, which Polestar confirmed would be coming this way. First up are a couple of new exterior colors. At the moment in the US, a black aptly named Void is the standard shade and the only freebie. Every other choice adds $1,200 to the MSRP. In the UK, Void has been replaced by a shade called Space, which appears to pop with a healthy dose of metallic flake. The UK site shows Space as a cost option and Magnesium as the free standard color. We're not sure if Polestar will do the same here, charging for Space and making Magnesium, currently $1,200, free. Moon, a kind of deep greige color, is the other retirement. It's replaced by Jupiter, pictured, a very light metallic dusty rose or rose gold. Inside, the ventilated Napa leather barley with light ash deco, which is a patterned brown, is swapped out for a ventilated Napa leather zinc with light ash deco, a patterned gray. Seems like Polestar buyers have gone all in for muted Scandinavian tones, because the barley interior was the only color offered. It looks like next year will only offer 5 shades of gray. Finally, a couple of new wheel choices are expected to join the configurator. The 20-inch 4Y spoke forged black alloys carry over into 2023, but the 19-inch 5V spoke and 20-inch 4V spoke could roll off into the sunset. In their places would come a 19-inch 5 double-spoke black and diamond cut wheel, and a 20-inch 5V spoke black and silver rim, both said to improve the aerodynamics around the lower quarters of the hatchback. Elsewhere on the net, Polestar fans have called out price increases in Europe. Don't be surprised if the MSRP gets goosed for the US as well whenever Polestar decides to officially clue us in on all the 2023 revisions.